Oh, he said Coconut Creek not this shit.
It's a live shot of inside. Where are we at?
Oh, West Rest Haven.
West Rest Haven. Pretty rough. Looks exactly like what happened, like a bomb went off. You got ceilings wide open. Man, I wonder if that refrigerator still works. Put that jug on the back of my truck.
Or you get your Coke machine. It's a dang second there.
I don't want no
That's
Coke
gonna be
machine.
the mother right there.
Where's
Getting that? The machine right there.
What machine?
That Deja Vu machine.
Oh, shit.
You can call that one off.
Man, we should have caught all this off. But this is just how bad it is. It's just part of it. We should have saw what we walked through to get to where we are right now. Ceilings open. Everything.